Need to create multiple Jira issues quickly? In this video, I'll show you a super efficient hack, how to bulk import issues into Jira using CSV files. Let's dive in. First, prepare your CSV file. Open a spreadsheet and create columns for key fields like summary, description, issue type, and priority. Fill in the details for each issue you need. Make sure the field names match Jira's naming conventions. Save the file as CSV. Next, go to Jira and Issues, All Issues. From here, click on the Import Issues from CSV option. Upload your CSV file and map the fields. Ensure each column in your CSV is correctly matched to Jira fields. Once your fields are mapped, click Next, and Jira will show a preview of the issues to be imported. If everything looks good, hit Start Import. Your issues will be bulk created in seconds. To check if everything imported correctly, go to your recently created issues. You should see all your new issues listed and ready for action.